Alright guys, Jason Graystone here, hope you're doing well. I'm just about to start my live trading room session, but I want you to come into my office really quickly because I'm going to tell you about an event that we're hosting on the 19th of August, and this is one you don't want to miss. On the 19th of August, we're going to be hosting a 4-day comprehensive trading workshop online. This workshop's going to be better than any other workshop we've hosted. We're going to show you things that will question everything you've learned about trading up until this point, from debunking myths to giving you insights on what it takes to be a professional trader, common mistakes that traders make, right through to watching us trade live markets in the workshop. We're going to be trading live markets. We're going to give you some tools and some gifts and some action steps through the workshop to keep you engaged and to keep you learning through the process. We're going to be carrying out live analysis. We're going to go through correlation risk and how to build a trade plan. We're going to go through some strategies and teach you where the high probability trades are, where the high probability opportunities lie in the market. And just in case that's not enough, we've got the one and only Mike Bellafiore from SMB Capital, the Wall Street trading prop firm legend, coming in to do a session on developing an edge and what they look for in 7-figure traders. Do you have to have any prior knowledge? No. Do you have to have a trading platform? No. Do you have to have a broker account? No. Just show up, turn up with a pad and a pen and be there. So whether you're new to trading, just finding your feet, or you're a professional trader, you're going to get something from this event, and it's not one you're going to want to miss. All you need to do is register your details below, and I'll see you on the 19th.